Would you like a sustainable business that you can actually make real money over and over and over again and literally have AI do everything for you? I'm talking about even having AI do the sales for you. If that sounds interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review and custom bonus for Stationary Prompts Empire. So we are looking right now at the sales page for Stationary Prompts Empire. This is a brand new course from my friend Alessandro Zamboni. And what I love about Alessandro is that he does not create the circular courses that you usually see, where it's basically, here's how to create a course on Warrior Plus, about how to create a course on Warrior Plus, so the other people create a course on Warrior Plus, and they can sell on Warrior Plus and then sell other people on Warrior Plus. It's like that's not a business. That's just circular. This is actually selling stuff that people will actually want, and you can turn these things into stationery that you can sell on places like Etsy. Now, of course, you don't want to just sell on Etsy, you want to sell on other places as well. And of course, this would not be a man in the hat type of a review if I didn't have a crazy, crazy custom bonus. Yeah, exactly like that. Thank you very much, Neil. That's very nice of you. Thank you. Okay, but seriously, so what I have for you is first and foremost, I found an AI system that is brand new that is going to create customized descriptions and SEO keywords and everything for you for Etsy. So basically, instead of simply saying, okay, well, I have these beautiful stationaries that I'm able to create and sell on Etsy. Now, what do I do with it? You can actually go ahead and tell the AI, well, I have a stationery. It's got butterflies and I'm not sure what these are, sunflowers on it. And it's a digital download and I want to sell it. You know, that does sound pretty boring to put up on Etsy, but if you put it into this new AI system, it's actually going to take that and create for you a custom built description that's going to sound great, that's going to sell the thing for you, that's going to give you all the SEO keywords so you're going to be found on Etsy, the whole 9 yards. It does all that for you. Of course, again, if you really want to be making money online, then you need to think like an entrepreneur.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. That's very kind of you. Thank you. Okay, but seriously, if you want to think like an entrepreneur, think like an entrepreneur. That means that you're not going to go with just what everybody else is doing. So instead of just going to Etsy, I'm also going to tell you about 25 other websites you can sell your artwork on. Okay, but I'm not done yet. I'm also going to tell you about another website, which is what I call the Midjourney Killer, that I think actually creates better quality images than Midjourney because it was trained exclusively on high quality images as opposed to Midjourney, which just went and searched the web for any kind of images. Okay, but I'm still not done yet. I'm also going to give you another AI system that I found, which actually you can use this system to go ahead and turn stick figure images into actual artwork. And all these things are going to be my custom bonus for you when you pick up this brand new AI system from Alessandro. Let me show you the members area real quick here. It's just your basic download page. When you click on here, you're going to go ahead and see all the prompts from Midjourney. Again, all you have to do is copy and paste, and every single time you do it, Midjourney will interpret it slightly differently. So this way, you will be able to create your own unique material. And it should do it automatically for you. You can, I'm pretty sure you can also use these in the Midjourney Killer that I found as well as your own prompts as well. So let's see if I can formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you rock. This really is awesome. Every time that Alessandro comes out with one of these things, I'm always amazed because these things are going to provide you with a genuine source of income as opposed to the usual stuff where it's kind of circular and it burns out. This is stuff you can keep selling forever. And with the custom Etsy description generator that I found, you can pretty much keep doing it forever. And by the way, that description generator is free. So, so yeah, go ahead and grab this one. It's good. You're gonna love it.